This train is for Muntii.
So I've just signed the deal, and yes, you guessed it right, I got a Toyota. So there's a key inside this box, and it's made up of bamboo thing, whatever it is, but it's really cute. I mean, just look at it. I'm gonna go outside in a bit and I will show you the car. Let's go and let's open this out. So here's the key. Right, so there you go. That's my new car. It's a 2016 Toyota Auris 1.8 petrol, and yes, it's a hybrid. I know a lot of my friends was asking why a hybrid. Well, I never had a hybrid before, so I guess this is just the right time for me to experience this technology. Now let's go inside. Oh, look at that, guys, check this out. I got this little Japanese friend with me. So nice of Toyota to leave this toy. Good touch, good touch. Thank you, Toyota. So yes, it's 19,490 miles, just one owner from new. This is the icon trim, which comes with DBA radio, no sat-nav unfortunately, no cruise control. The trim level XL actually comes with much more features, but I'm kind of happy with what this car have. One of the key things that I really like is this reversing camera. That's a great feature to have, definitely. This actually doesn't come with a heated seat, but I don't really mind. These are not leather, it's cloth. Winter, I think it should be fine. Cup holders there. I quite do like this block thing that's in here. I know some people might not like it, but it's just your own personal taste, I suppose. The weather is pretty good here in Dundee. Weather like this is when you really do need a aircon. It actually comes with a climate control as well, which is great. Then you got a heated windshield for the front and rear. Good stuff for winter. Got a few power mode in here. To go fast, you can use the power mode. City driving, you can probably use the EV mode to save fuel. Now, as I said, I don't really have any hybrid experience before, so I just have to drive it for a few days to get to know this car. Overall, inside the interior, I'm gonna rate this place probably 6.5 out of 10. Not the best interior I've seen, but it does the job. Things are pretty handy in here. Now let's go and let's fire this thing up. Oh boy. And I'm so used to with diesel cars, I don't even know when it's on. Yeah, it's on now. The reason why people actually get this as of car is because of low maintenance cost, and hence why I actually got this. Back space is okay, can just manage. I think kids will be great in here. It's not very spacious, it's a hatchback. Of course, you're not gonna have a lot of leg space, which I don't mind because it's gonna be me mostly driving this car. There's the boot space, just okay for maybe 2 medium luggage. This is pretty handy. I just wanted to show you, which is a spare wheel. Now most modern cars, they're getting rid of this thing. For me, this is an important thing to have. I mean, I do go for quite a long drive, and the last thing I want is to be on the side of the road broken down because I had a puncture in the tire. I'm not quite for it of those cars that comes with no spare tire. I think it's a crucial thing to have in any car. What do you guys think? Comment below. One thing I should mention, if you don't know, the brakes on this car can last long. On a normal car, you would expect to change your brakes every 18 to 25,000, but on these cars, they can easily last anywhere up to 40 to 60,000. One of my mates who got a same exact Auris, it's a 14 plate. He had it from brand new, and he has never changed his brake disc and pad. How cool is that? Because when you are braking, it's doing engine braking. Now, I'm not gonna go in detail into it, but it's pretty amazing how the whole system works. Look-wise, I wouldn't say it's the most beautiful looking car. Toyota, you know what it's built for, reliability, which is the name that gives it all, and it's a A2B car. Best thing is, because it was registered before 2017, so still £0 road tax, great stuff. So all I literally did was do my insurance. That's it really, just put fuel and drive. Right guys, I thought I will just quickly show you guys this. So just made it to home, and I've driven about 84.8 miles, which is almost 85 miles, and I got 57 miles 0.5 to the gallon, which is great. Been doing mostly motorways, and there was a few traffic here and there, but yeah, that's the fuel economy on this car. I want to talk to you about the driving in this car. Now, for those people who really love driving, I wouldn't say that this is one of the best machines to drive. It's not. The throttle response is a bit slow, especially if you want to overtake lorry or caravan or something. So it's not like your normal car, what you would expect. However, if you use this power mode, it does help. Overall, it's not bad at all on a motorway. On the corners, it's okay. I should also mention this touch screen, it can get pretty annoying because there's no button. And when you're driving and if you do touch one of this, it feels like you miss out something, but then again you get used to it, I suppose. I wanted to show you quickly. It really kind of attracted me. This is the new Supra. This was once a legend car, and I think this will be as well. It's not exactly Toyota, is it? Engine is from BMW. That is the interior inside the new Supra, and it just looks so similar to BMW. That's BMW, that's BMW. Badge, that's different. You can see there's a bit of BMW thing going on from the interior to the engines. What do you think anyway? I'm not gonna go into details. First, in my opinion, I would say I didn't like it at first, but I think slowly it's growing in me. I will see if I can get a test drive on one of this. Do let me know what you guys think of this new Supra in the comment below. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, just do make sure to press a little thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you for my upcoming videos. Goodbye.